hello. I hope everything's working fine. Uh, Welcome to my channel. This is my first video. In this channel, I will be uploading Linux related stuffs and maybe anime music video and some games. Okay, let's get started. Today, what I am planning to do is in my keyboard there is a volume knob. The keyboard that I am using is this thing, Kreo keyboard, and it has this volume knob, but it doesn't seem to work in my system. I'm using Gen 2 with DWM. But it doesn't seem to work. Let me show you. Let's go to my output, volume control panel, and then let's display. Like if I rotate the knob, it should change. The volume should change, but it doesn't change. If you see, I did this, but I believe you saw this thing does not get changed. So what I'm planning to do is maybe modify the DWM configurations. What was it again? I forgot. Let's me rotate again. Shit, what's going on? Oh, wait. Yeah. Okay, this thing. Maybe since this keyboard, that volume knob is sending this to the PC, we can maybe manipulate the DWM configuration. Let's go. I'm quite nervous since this is my first time. Oh. Let me move this to another workspace, and then so that we can have a room to work with. Now this thing will be living inside some Windows header. Let's check. I don't know where is it living. Yeah, this one. It will be living inside this. Let's include this. Let me give a comment. I forgot the syntax. I think it's include only. Yeah. X11, and then what was this? X86. I forgot again. I'll just search it myself. It's not there. What the hell? I feel like I'm wasting my time. Keys. This one. I copied it. I wonder it was why it was not. Let's see if it compiles. Yeah, it compiles. So what I'm planning to do is use the pactl control to manipulate the volume when I rotate this volume node. If we look at this, it is used to control the pulse audio server. Default, we will be using this default sync, the default output whatever we put, and then there should be a set sync volume. Yeah, this one. Oh no, if I open up the volume controller and then pactl set sync volume, sync, and then minus 10%. Let's see. I made mistake. Yeah, it decreased. Yeah, you can see that it keep decreasing. I lowered it. Yeah. Okay, now what we can do is let me copy this. I might need it later. I hope I'm audible. Yeah. Since we won't be needing any mode key, let's define no mode. It's not necessary. You can just use 0 directly if you're using DWM. And then let's define here some variables to hold our command line. Ball up. pactl set sync volume, and then oh, I copied that. Why am I even typing? Default sync. Default sync, and then since it is volume up, let me give 5% so that it will be more granular. And then let me make a copy of this. Why is it not yanking? It does yank. What's wrong with my beam? Let me launch it again. I don't know what's wrong. I hope it does not mess up my other configurations. Let me try to yank again. It's not even showing the yanking status, but it's yanking. Let's Let's just do it manually. Oh, caps lock was on. Let me try again. Yeah, it works. Okay, what else? What else do we need? Okay, we need to go down and then let's create another one. No modifier. What was the key name again? How long has it been since I'm recording? 10 minutes. Okay, it's not that long enough. That's not that long. What was I doing? Okay, XUV, and then go to yeah, lower volume. And then we will spawn the command that we wrote on top. Vol down. Yeah, and then I guess it's just raise. Let me see. Yeah, it's just only a raise. I think that's all done. Yeah, so annoying. Okay, let's compile and see. Blah blah blah. Undeclared. So many red steps. Error. Oh, I think we did not change it. Not we, me. Volume up, volume down. What was the warning? Cons. But I'm so blind. Okay, only one more error. This thing. Oh, did you mean this? Okay, I think there's a typo. Underscore. Let me copy this. This is lower, and then and where is the other one? Where is volume? This one. Yeah, everything got compiled. I will log out the system and then log in back and then show you whether if it works or not. I'm back. I was checking the recorded video. The volume was too low. Maybe I should speak louder or put my mouth nearer the mic. Let's check if it work or not. Oh, this one, here we go. And then wait, I'll launch this later. I hope I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah, let's go XAV, and then here it is. It should decrease. Yeah, it's working fine. Yeah. Oh, but I did not change. I think I did not change the other one. Let's see what happened. What is happening? Or maybe did I change to forgot the? What am I doing? What's wrong here? Raise one. It's the same. Here, set sync volume up, volume down. Am I not calling the same? Yeah, I'm calling the same thing again and again. Stupid. Let me log out and come back again. Yeah, I'm back. Maybe it should work now. If everything goes well. Let's see. Volume control. Yeah, it works. Great. Yeah, that's all for my video. Thank you for watching. If you watched till the end. And maybe I hope you learned something on how to configure DWM configuration.h. Yeah, thank you. Goodbye.